Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good, feeling irie, because we got another okay, intuitive reading for you today. This one just came through song, okay? And the song that was just coming to mind, and the lyrics go something like this. Ooh, has you on their mind? Has you on their mind on the late night? On the late night. Who has you on their mind on the late night? So we're gonna channel in that energy, okay? Because I feel like this energy really wants to come through. So if you've got a tea, if you've got something to sip on as we gather these intuitive gems, ciao. We're gonna get into it. Let's see. Wagwan. Wagwan guarantee. T-Sippers. Wagwan guarantee. T-Sippers. Wagwan guarantee. Welcome, welcome, welcome T-Sippers. Yeah. So, I hope you got a nice cup of tea or a beverage as we gather these juicy, intuitive gems. Okay, we have pile one, pile two, pile three. Go to that number that's calling you. Okay, and we are channeling that song. Okay, the song that was coming through. Ooh, ooh, who has you on their mind? Who has you on their mind on the late night fools? Okay. All right. We're gonna go through and have a look and see what messages want to really pull through. Okay. So pile one, pile two, pile three. Now let's bring in some good energy. We love to bring good energy to help strengthen these reads. All right. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we are about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. See you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we have pile one and we are exploring the song that was coming through. Okay, the who has you on their mind? Okay, who has you on their mind on the late night? Okay, so we are looking into those late night thoughts. Who has you on their mind on the late night thoughts? So we're just gonna pull and just have a look and see what wants to come through, okay? All right. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. All right, let's get into it. What are you sipping on today? I've got some water. Let us know what you're sipping on. Okay? Right. Who has you on their mind? This could be the person in your mind. This could be a crush, a current love interest, or an ex. Let's just have a look and see. The last time we embraced, I felt a connection so profound it left me craving more. It left me craving more. So this is the late night thought that's coming through. The late night thought. So now we're gonna pull in some messages. Okay, we're gonna look into their feelings. Okay, their feelings for you. Let's have a look into this deck. Okay, that have lots of messages on their feelings. Okay, we're gonna sing that song as well just to help bring in that energy. Okay. Ooh, has you on their mind? Has you on their mind on the late night? Ooh, Has you on their mind? Has you on their mind on the late night? Ooh, ooh, ooh. We're just gonna let it flow. Has you on their mind? Has you on their mind on the late night? Ooh, 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 ooh. Has you on their mind? Ooh. We have I need you in my life. I need you in my life. We have I still hold on to the hope of us coming back together. So this could be someone who there may be a recent separation, it could be an ex, it could be someone who still hopes, it could be even a crush, or where maybe things, maybe the two of you were going at different paces, different directions, maybe having different ambitions, okay, perhaps moving, okay. I feel like it could be also a young love, okay. The song that's coming through is My First Love, okay. My First Love by Avant, okay, and Kiki Wyatt. This is really coming through. My First Love, okay. We have here, I've been writing about you in my journal. Now this could be you also, okay, and this could be this person, specific person, that could also be channeling you, okay, and writing about those memories. And I'm getting these cherished memories about you, okay. And I feel like the late night thoughts are really bringing those energies through, okay. We have your absence is a constant reminder of what I've lost. So this could really be a someone from your recent past, an ex coming through, and who has full of regrets. Who has full of regrets? Does that make sense? But I hope that's making sense. This person does have a lot of regret. Okay. Now the thing about the late night, our late night thoughts, this is our subconscious, so it can really bring things to the surface. And I feel like this is what's happening with this person. We have my heart still yearns for your touch. My heart still yearns for your touch. And I feel that's it's like your physical presence, seeing you, talking to you, engaging with you. Okay. We have you are my unfinished. You are my unfinished love story. I'm trying to mend my ways for you. So this is somebody who really is strong reconciliation. They want to come forward. They're really hoping that the universe will open up an opportunity for the two of you to be back together somehow, or even to have a communication, or for them to tell you their deepest feelings. Okay, right. Let's have a look here. Look at this. Do you ever think about us? Do you ever think about us? Look at these intuitive gems really coming through. Okay, so we're gonna have a look now at their higher self, okay? But before we do have a look at their higher self, we gotta bring out the one and only Jamaican Proverbs in the building. All right, let's have a look at the Jamaican Proverbs. Okay, so reveal a Jamaican proverb, okay, relating to this read, please. So, who has you on their mind on the late night? Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Has you on their mind? Has you on their mind on the late night? Ooh, 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 ooh. Has you on their mind? Has you on their mind on the late night? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Thank you. We have, look at this. The empty barrel makes the most noise. The empty barrel makes the most noise. Now, think of it, an empty barrel is like, let's say we've got this candle here, okay, and it's kind of like a shape of a barrel, okay. Barrels are very popular in the Caribbean. They are like used to put lots of like items, whether it's food items, like dry food items, clothes, and things that can be sent over from maybe from overseas, okay, to the Caribbean for family and friends, okay. But the idea that this is empty, it's empty. So it's empty, it's hollow, okay. So in the Jamaican style, the empty barrel make the most noise. The empty barrel make the most noise, okay. It makes the most noise. So this is the energy of, look, a lack, self-confidence, okay, lack. So when we think of self-confidence, we think of the solar plexus chakra, okay, and this is the energy. They feel this lack, a strong energy of lack, and we can see this, like, it's this feeling of, do you ever think about us? You are my unfinished love story. These are the feelings that they have. These are their late night thoughts really coming through. Really coming through. So let's have a look at, we're going to look into their higher self, but we'll pull out a tarot. Okay, so reveal the tarot message that truly resonates with this specific person's late night thoughts, their true intentions, their deepest feelings. Okay, who has you on their mind? Let's channel that song again. Okay, let me take a sip. Have you got some water? Have you got some juice? Have you got some tea? Let us know what you're sipping on. Okay, I'm going to take a quick sip. Right, let's get into it. Ooh, look at this. It came through. It's the Six of Wands. The Six of Wands, but the Six of Wands is in reverse. So we're going to read it both ways, okay? The Six of Wands represents victory, success, okay? Victory and success. However, this is very true to how they are feeling. You are their unfinished love story. Hence the reason why it's coming through in the reverse position. Because this is how they feel. Their deep feelings on how they feel about you, on their late night thoughts, is that you are that prize that they never fully received, okay, or never really gained a sense of success. I feel like they can look back and value the fact that they had you in their presence previously, but there's a strong energy of wishing, yearning, hoping that it can be something that can be repaired. It can be something that can be reconciled. Okay, this is what I feel, and I feel like there's a strong energy of, like, they've had these hopes, and the message of marriage and all these kind of dreams of living together. I feel like this person likes to think about all these things a lot, but I feel like the solar plexus energy, their self-esteem, their confidence got in the way. Okay, now this is all falling on number one. So number one can represent the energy of new beginnings, wanting a new start. Okay, right, I'm currently hearing rain, and I feel like that rain is like the symbolic message I'm getting from the rain is wanting this to all wash away and start anew with you. Okay. So let's have a look now into their higher self. Okay, so we're gonna let these messages flow, okay, and see what wants to come out for the collective who chose pile one. So reveal the messages the collective need to see it right now. We're going to channel in that message, channel in that song. Okay. Ooh, as you on their mind, as you on their mind on the late night. Ooh, 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 as you on their mind, as you on their mind on the late night. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Ooh, as you on their mind, as you on their mind on the late night. Ooh, ooh, as you on their mind, as you on their mind on the late night. Ooh, yeah. As you on their mind, as you on their mind on the late night. Woo! Right, last shuffle. Thank you. Look at all of these messages. Right, so we're going to gather. We can see all this energy really coming through in the cards. These intuitive gems coming through for the collective. And we are exploring who has you on their mind on the late night foods. Ooh la la. All right. So we saw light colored eyes. Light colored eyes is a clue here. They want to give you light colored eyes. Okay, as a clue. Perhaps they may wear contacts, or someone may wear contacts, or someone just has light colored eyes. We have the sound of your name brings a smile to my face every time. So you bring a smile to my face every time. I find myself thinking about you when doing everyday tasks. So you could be sensing their energy, okay? Telepathically, they could be connecting with you, thinking about you, calling your name, okay? My heart skips a beat when I see you. In fact, every time I see you, damn, you are fine. So they feel like and you are incredibly hot, okay? Very attractive, very drawn to you, okay? I do wonder if I am good enough for you. So this is where we're getting these mixed energies, these mixed feelings, and this person is it's like they're torn. One moment they can feel confident, and then they doubt themselves. This is the energy of confidence, true confidence. You know, look at the chest. Look at the figure's chest. The chest is high. Look at the yellow here, representing that solar plexus. Okay. We've got a bit of the energy of like the root chakra. We've got a bit of energy of the sacral, which is all that kind of sexual prowess energy, that bringing that confidence, that drive, determination. All of that is all here, okay? But it's in reverse. So it's kind of this energy. It's like perhaps one moment they may feel like that, and then they doubt themselves, okay? So it creates this kind of self-sabotaging energy. We have your smile and laughter is like music to me. I love looking at your smile and seeing your smile. Now, just calling on your intuition to give you the clue of who this person is, Your strength and resilience inspire me to be stronger and invite growth in my life. So there's an energy of this person wants to do better, wants to be better. It's creating this energy. Perhaps it's kind of triggered them to change, to know that they have to change for their own greater good. I've never met anyone as fascinating and intriguing as you. Yes, they have these feelings, passionate and volunteering and giving back. So they could be this person who is drawn to volunteering, giving back. Perhaps this person can be quite empathetic. Okay. I feel like this could be something that they also admire about you. Okay. We have here social and outgoing parties. So perhaps you've met this person through a gathering, a party, or you may have met this person recently. Okay, there might be something very significant that they want to let you know. Okay, at this time, I feel like it could have been when your eyes both locked. Okay, or there's a sense of you feeling their strong presence. Okay. We have mesmerizing voice, mesmerizing voice. So I feel like perhaps conversations, whether it's been conversations on the phone, conversations face to face, it's left this kind of energy of mystery and drawn to this attractive energy and a strong chemistry energy here as well. We have nature lover, intellectual and stimulated conversations. So there's definitely this energy of strong communication energy here. Okay. We have strong and capable hands. Now I feel like this person can be very, I'm getting a strong masculine energy coming through. Okay. Strong masculine energy, very strong in their physique. Okay. I am amazed by your resilience in the face of adversity. So I feel like perhaps you may have gone through trials and tribulations and they are amazed by you, okay? Look, we do have here fit and toned physique. So this person can have a fit and toned physique. Perhaps you have a fit and toned physique. Or this person may take a keen interest in looking after themselves, or they may have taken on this keen interest in a way to try and attract you into their life. We have food and love. Foodie lover enjoys new foods. So this person could enjoy trying new foods, okay, and try new things. We have car enthusiast. Car enthusiast. I imagine a future with you, and it fills me with hope and excitement. Hope and excitement. Yes, this is what they hope for. This is what they're hoping for. This is what they envision. They're hoping that, I see the energy is like, I hope one day you'll be my future spouse. I hope one day. I hope. Okay? You make me feel alive in every way. Alluring scent. Alluring scent. Again, it's a strong energy of attraction here and chemistry. You make even the most ordinary and mundane moments feel amazing. Your support and encouragement means the world to me. You're the missing piece. You are the missing piece that completes the puzzle of my life. Now we're going to end this read with a message. Okay. Now I feel like this person could be anyone, but anyone. But we're gonna end this read with a couple of more messages. Okay, so who has you on their mind? Okay, on the late night thoughts. Okay, so just quickly sing the song, channel that energy again. Ooh, has you on their mind? Has you on their mind on the late night? Right. Let's pull through. Okay. So we're going to pull through those. And a couple of stickers. Just reveal some messages. Who has you on their mind on the late night for the collective who chose pile 1? Okay. Thank you. So this person could be family orientated. They could have talked about family. They could have have like visions of wanting this for themselves. Okay. We have here heart. So they do have. I feel like this person is very empathetic. They have a lot of empathy. Let's end it there. But I feel like they still have this heart connection with you. They're still drawn to you. They still yearn for you. Okay, and we can see that with their feelings. I feel like this person is somebody that you've had really good, like a really good communication with in the past, where it's like it leaves you feeling stimulated, enjoying their conversations, sparking that chemistry. Okay, perhaps they could be an air sign, or they could have air in their chart. Okay, we have here career. So perhaps this could be someone that you've known while at college, while at university, school. It could also be somebody you've met while pursuing your career, okay, and vice versa. Okay. Now I feel like this person, because we got this message here, that this person could be still kind of keeping tabs and seeing what you're doing. Okay, maybe even trying to see if you're single or inquire through other mutual connections. Okay, they could also be very academic or into like current affairs. Okay, especially with those intellectual stimulating conversations. Okay, right now, last but not least, we're going to look at these messages now. Okay, so you can see all those. So we have here, your presence is a ray of sunshine. Your presence is a ray of sunshine. I cherish our shared dreams. So there could have been conversations about shared dreams and they still cherish them. Every moment with you is a beautiful chapter. Every moment is a beautiful chapter. You are my sunshine on my rainy days. As I said, the herd can hear rain, and this is kind of this energy coming through. Your laughter fills my soul with joy. Your laughter fills my soul with joy. We have here, you make you make my heart race with excitement. So we're going to leave it here. Take the messages that resonate and leave. We have to say it with power. Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. It simply means, just Jamaican pattern, it simply means this is how it goes around here. So if you've enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up. Okay. Subscribe. Okay. Subscribe. Keep sipping. Okay. Stay hydrated. And I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people. Wagwan tea sippers. Wagwan generals. So we have Pile 2 and we are exploring the channeled message coming through song. Who has you on their mind, okay? Who has you on their mind on the late night thoughts? So their feelings for you. This is what we're exploring, okay? So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot Tea. And I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage of your choice as we gather these intuitive, juicy gems. All right, let's get into it. Let's see Wagwan. Okay, so who has you on their late night thoughts? So this specific person is someone where there's an energy, strong energy about the last time you spoke, the last time you spoke, the last time, but also the last time you saw them, the last time you had a deep conversation. Okay, so the last time we spoke, I couldn't help but blush, okay, under the loving gaze, knowing our connection is something truly special. So I feel the strong energy is like this person, the way when they engage with you, when they talk to you, when they are looking at you, okay, they feel this strong energy of the connection, the chemistry. Now, Ariel is coming to mind. This has come recently in the read. Ariel, the Little Mermaid, the original version where the Ariel and Eric is on the boat. Okay, Ariel and Eric is on the boat, and Sebastian is trying to whisper in Eric's ear, saying, "Kiss the girl." Whoa, whoa, la 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 li, li, li. This is the energy that's coming through. Okay, I feel like that you could be having moments with, or you've had moments with this person as well. Okay. So we are going to have a look now into their feelings. We're going to use their feelings deck and we're going to have a look and see what messages want to come through regarding their feelings. So for the collective who chose pile 2, okay, reveal this specific person and also to help them to gather and these intuitive gems so that you know who this person is. So we're going to channel in the song. Okay, I'm going to take a good sip of water. You want to sip with me? Come on, let's sip together. Let's sip together. What are you sipping on? Put it in the comments down below. Okay, I'm going to take a good sip. We're going to sing our song to channel in that energy. So, who has you on their mind? Okay, and we're just gonna let the messages flow from the cards and then read them all together. Okay, right. Ooh, has you on their mind? Has you on their mind on the late night? Ooh, has you on their mind? Has you on their mind on the late night? Ooh, 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 yeah. Has you on their mind? Has you on their mind on the late night? Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. Has you on their mind? Ooh, has you on their mind on the late night? Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. Has you on their mind? Last shuffle. Thank you. All right. So we've got a lot of messages here. These juicy, juicy, intuitive gems. Right. So got quite a few for pile 2. So we have here, you are the only one who could ever make me feel complete. Now, this has fallen on pile 2, and pile 2 in numerology is all about choices, options, decisions, duality, balance, okay? I'm sorry for hurting you. I'm sorry for hurting you. So this could be someone from your recent past. It's someone who's now feeling that they've let you down. They've let you down. And you are in their late night thoughts, but there's a strong energy about the last time you spoke. Okay? And I feel like there's a clue here. You are the reason behind my smile. You are the reason behind my smile. Okay? I need more time to figure things out. I need more time to figure things out. Now, we did say earlier about choices, options, decisions. So this person knows that they've got to make a decision. Okay? I'm scared of my feelings for you. I'm scared of my feelings for you. Okay? I wish I could turn back time. I wish I could turn back time. Now, shares every time when I think about time, the song that always comes to mind is Share. If I could turn back time, then I could find a way. Yes, if they could find a way to just turn things so things can work in their favor, and in both of your favor. I still wear the necklace or slash jewelry that you gave me. So there could be something very significant in terms of a gift, some kind of item that they gave you, or perhaps something that you gave them and they still cherish it, they still wear it to this day. If given a chance, I would choose you over and over again. Going back to number 2, choices, options, decisions. Okay, this person is like, look, saying I would choose you, I would choose you, I would choose you over and over again. You are all I have ever wanted. Look at this. You are all I have ever wanted. I want to tell you how I feel, but I don't know how. They don't know how. But we can see that they're caught up on this. The last time we spoke, the last time. Your love is the only thing I crave. Your love is the only thing I crave. I find it hard to let go of you. I find it hard to let go of you. So this is the energy. It's like it feels like unfinished business. Every song, look at this. Every song I hear reminds me of you. Now this makes sense because this was really the song was the song or the lyrics or the words. Who has you on their mind on the late night came through, and I just thought we gotta make this into a reading. This is calling for a reading right now. Okay. Do I ever cross your mind? Do I ever cross your mind? Now this came through in pile one. Okay. I'm sorry if I pushed you away. I'm sorry if I pushed you away. So there could be some like self-sabotaging energy coming through with this person as well. Okay. I still hope we can be together one day. I still hope we can be together. So they really hope things can change. I wish I could go back to how things used to be. Again, if I could turn back time, maybe I can find a way, okay? Your love was the best thing that ever happened to me. I dream about you every night. I dream about you every night. It's hard for me to move on when my heart still beats for you. It still beats for you. So this person may still have like again strong energy of unfinished business, maybe like closure issues. You are the person I compare everyone else to. Look at this. So this is again, it's like if they have an option, they'll still choose you every time. Your love is like a drug I can't quit. Your voice is the sweetest melody to my ears. So this perhaps there might have been a song that really comes to mind, or there could have been a shared song that you both liked, okay, or you could have danced together with the song, or the song brings or evokes memories. Seeing you with someone else breaks my heart. Now, this could also mean that you might perhaps this could be someone from really like back in the past really coming through, or they could have this fear of maybe if you're with somebody else and it means that there's no coming back. Okay, so let's pull out a Jamaican proverb and see the message that wants to come through that relates to these messages. So for the collective who chose pile 2, reveal the Jamaican proverb that relates to this current energy coming through from this specific person, okay? And their late night thoughts and their feelings for you, their intentions, okay? And we're going to channel that song. Ooh, 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 yeah, as you on their mind. Thank you, that was quick. Look, alligator lay egg, but the alligator is not a fowl. How does that work? Okay, the alligator lays egg, but him no fowl. Jamaican style. The alligator lay egg, but him no fowl. The alligator lay egg, but him no fowl. So it's like a question, like how does that work? Okay, it's all like that building that curiosity. Okay, having to look deeper into things to understand maybe the symbolic, the signs, the synchronicities coming from it. Okay. So don't view things from one perspective. Think outside of the box, reflect, and be open. So I feel like these messages that are really pulling through, and I feel like this is also the messages for this specific person, is to be open, to reflect, because we can see in regards to their feelings, okay, it's they're caught up on the last time you spoke. It's also caught up on this it's like we're seeing this kind of balance, okay? Like one side they're thinking about, if I had the option, I would choose you over again. And then there's this kind of like energy of hoping that you can still be together and all those kind of things, okay? So let's have a look into the tarot and see what the tarot wants to tell us, okay? Okay, so tarot reveal their truest, deepest feelings, okay, their intentions, from the specific person that has the collective on their mind. Okay, so we're going to channel in that song to bring in that vibrant energy. Ooh, ooh, yeah. As you want their mind, as you want their mind on the late night, we have it's the Ace of Pentacles. So the Ace of Pentacles, this person wants to give a serious offer. When I see the Ace of Pentacles, you know, I like seeing all like the Ace of Cups, but I really like seeing the Ace of Pentacles because the Ace of Pentacles, look at that threshold. When I see that threshold, it's like, I'm not just going to give you a cup of love. I'm showing you, I'm taking the action. I'm doing those earthy things. I'm going to put it on down on paper. I'm serious. My desire is you to be my future spouse, to be for us to be together side by side. Okay, this is what I want to give you. Okay, I truly want to give you my heart. I truly want to give you, the confirmation, not just my heart, but the confirmation. Be that provider and that lover, okay? That friend, okay? And I'm ready. I'm ready. Ready, set, go. Baby, I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay? It's bringing a song, a soca song, and it goes something like, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. This is the energy I'm getting. They're coming, okay? This is what they really want to do. They really want to come to you. They are yearning to come to you. They're yearning to give you this offer. They are serious. I feel like this could be somebody, perhaps that when they were younger, you have known them when they were younger, and I feel like this person has taken some time to reflect, to be open, to assess their decision making. It's like they've had to learn a lot of lessons. Perhaps you've been seeing 222s, and it's like something has come into alignment where it's like now they're like, wow, I've been doing this, I've been working on this. Now I'm getting the energy of, I need to get my woman. I need to get my woman back. It's somebody who wants you back. It's somebody who, and this could, whether it's a crush person, or love interest, it could be somebody where this person have had feelings for you, but perhaps there weren't actions, there was missed opportunities, and they're like, right, I can't miss this. It could be someone who's from the recent past, or current love interest, where things have kind of flowed, but this person is like, now I gotta show this serious offer because this is who, I can't let this happen. You know, although everybody has free will, but there's a strong energy of determination that this person is like, I want to give you a serious offer. I'm not here to play games. I'm not here to play games. And let my intentions let my actions be the guide rather than just my conversation. Watch my actions. Okay. So we're gonna have a look now into this person's higher self. We're going to look into their higher self. So we've got messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine, things they want to say to you right now. We're going to just have a look and see what their higher self wants to reveal to you, okay, at this moment. So we're going to channel in that energy, bring in that energy, okay? Okay, let's sing that song. I'm just going to let the messages flow and then we'll read them all together, okay? Ooh, yeah, as you on their mind, as you on their mind on the late night. Ooh, yeah, as you on their mind, as you on their mind on the late night. Ooh, there's a couple that want to come out. Right, let's just last shuffle, last shuffle. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Oh, we got a divine masculine energy here. Okay, let's pull it all out. We got muscular build, so they want to give you a clue. There's a muscular build in the building. Okay. We have this worry energy here. I do wonder if I'm good enough for you, and I feel like perhaps this could be. I feel like this could be the, with the balance of the two. I feel like this was their scale. This was their scale that they had to kind of get to grips with. One side it's like I feel confident, and then the other side is like, oh, I don't know, and it's like they really had to get to grips because it was impacting on them being able to really show and be confident in this energy of the Ace of Pentacles, because the Pentacles is the earth. It's the earth, it's the grounding energy. Okay, think of Virgos, Capricorns, and Taurus. It's that earth energy. Okay, so it's about proof. It's like the grounding energy here is like earthy proof. Okay, to give you that offer, not just talking, it's not about just talking and talk, it's about walking the walk. Okay, walking the walk. Social gatherings and parties. So perhaps you know this person from a party, you've seen them, you could have even seen them recently. Okay, it could be how you've connected, it's how you may have known them or met them somehow. Okay, again, like it could be something significant. Okay, wherever it could be, the physical attraction, the chemistry could have also started there. Okay, now this also popped up for pile one, and this one as well, alluring scent, a strong energy of, again, strong attractiveness, and again back to that earthy scent. So perhaps there could be the earthy nature, so there could be something, again, it's like you can make this person really feel grounded. Okay, or it can trigger this energy of like connecting with this earthy physical nature. Infectious laughter. Now I feel like this person makes you laugh to like your belly's like aching because you're just having so much fun. We have the divine masculine to the divine feminine. I want this love to work like you do, just like you do. They want this to work. They want this to work. We see it with this Ace of Pentacles here. They want to give you a serious offer. Okay. John McLean, Lover's Rock song is coming through. If I gave my heart to you, what will you do with it? What would you do with it? What would you do with it? If I just gave it to you, said, look, here, Jane, we're going to call you Jane. Here, Jane, here's my heart. Here's my proof. Here's my evidence. What would you do with it? You make me feel alive in every way. You make me feel. Now, another song's coming through. It's Sylvester. Okay, it's a disco song. You make me feel mighty real. You make me feel mighty real. You make me feel alive in every way. Brown eyes, brown eyes. Okay. Another song. Ooh, there's this person's really. It's like they're really channeling songs. Um, the song by R&B group. If you know it, put it in the comments down below. Pretty brown eyes, I see you standing. Yeah, do you know that song? Put it in the comments down below. We have ambitious, driven, and divine masculine to divine feminine. My higher self wants you to know that my inner child feels safe. Feels safe with you. My inner child feels safe with you. And this could be the energy of why they keep choosing you over and over and over again. Because that the little child in them, let's call it little Johnny, okay? I'm going to call this person John, but this little Johnny feels safe with you. So we're going to pull out some more clues, okay? Let's have a look at some stickers and just see just some clues to help describe who this person is. Thank you. Thank you. So we have here, so they could be the life of the party. They could be very vocal, very passionate, okay, very driven. We have here this strong energy of the root chakra, okay. So again, that groundedness, that sense of security, stability, and we can also say this is also given a lot of sexual attraction, chemistry here as well. Okay, we have the heart energy. So this person could be empathetic. They could very drawn to like having a caring nature. Okay, it could also be that they want to protect their heart. Okay, and perhaps it could be because of past experiences, but it's also kind of like working against them. Okay, so we have ambition driven. So this person you could have known them from, let's say maybe through a studying career. Okay, they could have had talks about wanting to build a legacy, building something, and hoping that they could do this with you. Okay, intuitively, I feel like the high priestess is coming through to say, you know who this person is. You know who this person is. There's a message coming through, and we're going to sing that little song. You know who this is, yeah. Ooh, ooh, you know who this is, yeah. Hey, you know who this is. Yes, we got a strong energy of security, strong energy of sexual attraction coming through. Okay, there's a lot of chemistry between you and this person. And we've seen two of these. We've seen two. Again, the scales, the two, the choices, the options. This person could be an energy of a soulmate, okay? Soulmate, a twin flame coming through, okay? So, last but not least, we're going to pull out some messages from these key tags, okay? So reveal the messages the collective need to see right now. Just sing that. Can you just sing that song? Bring some energy in here. So, ooh, yeah. Who has you on their mind on the late night? I say, ooh, yeah. Had you on their mind, yeah, on the late nights. Thank you. So we have, I value our connection. I value our connection. Your laughter Your laughter fills my soul with joy. We have here our love story is my favorite. Our love story is my favorite. And I want to make you happy. I want to make you happy. Your eyes speak a language only my heart understands. So take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. Take the message that resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. Okay, this is Jamaican Pat One. It simply means this is how it goes around here. So be sure to look good, feel good, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, okay? And be sure to feel good, look good, stay irie, stay blessed. Okay, keep sipping, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have Pile 3, and we're exploring the question: who has you on their mind on the late night thoughts, so their feelings for you? So I hope you've got a nice cup of tea or a beverage as we gather these juicy intuitive gems, okay? And if you haven't already, come and join the Love and Light family at Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Give us a like and subscribe. Right, let's get into it. Let's see Wagwan. And Wagwan just simply means what is going on. Okay. We have here this specific person that's really coming through. In their embrace, I find a sanctuary of joy bringing us closer together. Now, I feel this strong energy of wanting to place my hand over my heart, and I feel like this is how this person feels. It's like they have this strong energy of feeling like it's an honor, a strong energy of it's an honor, okay, to be in your embrace, to be in your presence, to be just anywhere now around you, just in engaging in conversation. I feel like there's a strong energy of respect and honor here, okay? So we are going to quickly pull out a Jamaican proverb and see what message wants to come through. We're going to channel in the song, okay? So let's get into it. For the collective, we chose Pile 2. Reveal the Jamaican proverb that resonates with how this person truly feels, their intentions and just their feelings, okay? So, yeah. Who has you on their mind? Has you on their mind on the late night? Yeah. Who has you on their mind? Who has you on their mind on the late night? Yeah. Who has you on their mind? Who has you on their mind on the late night? Yeah. Who has you on their mind? Hey, we have 2. So we have self-praise is no recommendation. Self-praise is no recommendation. In the Jamaican style, self-praise is no recommendation. Self-praise is no recommendation. Okay? So this is the energy, okay? It's kind of self-explanatory, but it's the energy of don't always be too quick to be boastful. Let others praise you. Let others praise you. Let others praise you. We have here, nanny goat never scratching back until it sees the wall. The nanny goat never scratches its back until it sees the wall in the Jamaican style. The nanny goat never scratch him back until him see the wall. The nanny goat never scratch him back until him see wall. Okay, so it's the idea that the goat keeps a close eye on their surroundings. Okay, they're very strategic, they're very analytical, because they're also thinking about the possible risks. Okay, that's out there. They could be eaten, okay, for their goat meat and all these kind of things. So it's like keeping an eye on everything, okay, being very vigilant. So be analytical, position yourself for an opportunity, focus and execute. So I feel like the energy here is like this person wants to come forward, this specific person wants to come forward in a way where they're not being boastful. Okay, now a strong reference of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs is coming through here. Okay, especially bashful is really coming through. But and I feel like this person has this energy, or you bring out that energy in them. But I feel like it's an energy of, again, social proof, letting you be the judge, letting you be that guide of what you think of this person. And I feel like it could be a number of love interest coming through, whether it's an ex, a crush, a current love interest. I feel like it's like they want you to see what they're about, and then for you to make your own judgment. It's fallen on the pile number 3, and pile number 3, if you don't know, now you know. It's all about growth. It's all about the energy of the Empress, okay? The Empress. So you know, if this is the energy of the Empress, you know that the Emperor is not too far, okay? So I feel like this is an energy of this person wants to take a kind of a step where they're making I feel like it's like they're making well-informed decisions when they approach you, or when they even communicate, or even come to you with an offer. Because I feel like the message that I'm getting here is that you could read through the BS. So it's like they know that, and I feel like they have that intuitive connection that they know that, and also they want to also give a seat, like just be serious and come to you on that level. Okay, so hence the reason why not letting self-praise be in the recommendation, but letting their actions speak louder. Okay, so let's have a look now into their feelings. Okay, we've got their feelings for you in these messages here. So we're gonna just channel in that song. So for the collective who chose Pile 3, release the messages that the collective need to know right now regarding this specific person, okay, that's coming through, okay, on the read that we're exploring today. Who has you on their mind on the late night thoughts? So we're gonna sing the song. Gonna just take a little sip of water. Okay, let us know what you're sipping on. Okay. Okay. Let's get into it. Ooh, 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 yeah. Who has you on their mind? Who has you on their mind on the late night? Ooh, 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 yeah. Who has you on their mind? Who has you on their mind on the late night? Ooh, ooh, yeah. Who has you on their mind? Who has you on their mind on the late night? Ooh, 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 yeah. Who has you on their mind? Who has you on their mind on the late night? Ooh, ooh, who has you on their mind? All right, last shuffle. Thank you. Look at all of these messages coming through. Okay, I hope you're enjoying, these tarot and sing along sessions, or concert, little concerts we're holding for you at Wagwan Tarot and Tea. We like to bring in everything. We use all the elements, okay? voice, words, power. Okay, and all of this intuitive gems, all of these intuitive wisdom. Right, let's bring it. I wish we could start over. I wish we could start over. Okay, there's a song that's coming through. Joyce Bond's reggae lovers, rock singer, and the song goes something like, no one else sweeter than you. No, honey, no one else can do you. No. Rewind. No one else can be sweeter like you. Okay, so it's about this song about no one else can be sweeter like you. No one else. And it's just, and I get this energy over and over again. Okay, nobody can be sweeter than you. I wish we could start over again. Okay, you are all I ever wanted. You are all I ever wanted. Okay, I'm sorry if I ever took you for granted. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And I feel like it's like a deep, like they're very apologetic. They are very sorry. I miss the way you used to look at me. Again, over and over again. They miss it. They really miss it. Look. I miss the sound of your laugh. I missed the sound. This is like a real ex coming through, okay, or somebody that you've had a strong like love connection, okay. Your love is the only thing I crave. Your love is the only thing I crave. Oh, another song's coming through. We're getting lots of songs. We've got Maxi Priest and Shaggy coming through. That girl, ooh, that kind of girl, that girl, ooh, that's you. That's how they feel when they think about you. They're like, ooh, that kind of girl. You are that kind of girl. Do you ever think about us? Now I feel like this has come through in every single read. Is this energy of like, this is how I feel. But do you ever think about us? I still hope for a second chance with you. I still hope for a second chance. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for hurting you. We're getting this energy, like of feeling the strong energy of remorse. My feelings for you are still as strong as ever. They're still as strong as ever. You are the one. Okay. Another songs that's come. What this one did come through through song. Okay, so another song that's coming through. I've got Johnny Clark. Okay. You're the one who gives me satisfaction. You are the one who gives me satisfaction. Fills my heart with love. You fill my heart with love. I'm not good enough for you. I'm not good enough for you. And I feel like this again, it's like perhaps this could have been things that have held them back. Because we've seen this energy in all of the reads. You were my everything. You were my everything, and now you're gone. So this is definitely an X coming through. I wish I could turn back time. Now shares coming through. If I could turn back time, then I could find a way. They really want to find this way back to you. Okay. Another song that's coming through. Billy McLean. We got the real thing, baby. Ooh, we got the real thing, baby. We got the real thing. We got the real thing. I can't imagine my life without you. I can't imagine my life without you. I'm just not ready to commit yet. I'm just not ready to commit yet. Now, I feel like this is how they felt before. You are the reason I want to become a better person. I still hold on to the hope of us coming back together. My love for you is still strong. Now, another lyric that's coming through from the song that I just sung, we've got the real thing, baby. I keep getting the lyric that keeps coming through is the way I feel, you're the reason. Okay, the way I feel, the way I feel, you're the reason, you're the reason. For you, I give my all. Okay, the lyrics keeps coming through. For you, I give my all. For you, I give my all. Now, I feel like I feel like this person may even want to maybe listen to a lot of love songs. Okay, and these love songs could be really coming through. Okay. Right, so we are now going to have a look into their higher self. We're going to have a look into their higher self, okay? Because we can see all these messages coming through of like these mixed emotions, okay? On their late nights, okay? On their late nights, they have all these mixed emotions, mixed feelings, feelings of regret, feelings of wanting to reconcile, but also wanting to kind of come towards you where it's like I've got myself all together, and I feel like it's like also they want to come forward, but it's also the apprehension that like no, you're gonna see through the BS, or if I'm trying to make shift, saying that oh yeah I'm fully ready, it's like no I'm gonna make sure I'm putting in the work, and I feel like it's like this energy of this person is like I'm putting in the work in my shadow, I'm putting in the work in loving on myself more, I'm putting on the work to show my not just for you but also I need to do it for myself, so then that will shine through and then you will see it through me, and that will make me the most transparent as ever because you see right through me and that I mean business. Okay, so we're going to look into their highest self now. So reveal the messages for the collective who chose pile 3. Okay, what they need to see regarding this specific person. It could be the person on their mind right now that's really coming through. Okay, so let's just bring in that energy. We're bringing a lot of energy of song. Okay, so ooh, yeah. Who has you on their mind on the late night? I said, ooh, yeah, ooh, ooh. We have one coming through. Okay, right. Let's try and remember the song. Okay, I say, ooh, who has you on their mind? That sounded a bit croaky. I say, ooh, who has you on their mind on the late night? I say, ooh, yeah, who has you on their mind? I don't know why, it makes me want to serenade. I feel like this person really wants to serenade you. I say, ooh, yeah, who has you on their mind on the late night? I say, ooh, yeah, who has you on their mind on the late night? Right, last shuffle. Last shuffle. Thank you. Okay, so let's look at all of these intuitive gems from their higher self. Okay, we got. I can see the divine masculine has also come through. Okay. So there's a clue here. Freckles. They want to tell you freckles is one of the clues here to help you to know who this person is. We have your intelligence and your wit impress me more than you know. More than you know. We have passionate about photography. Passionate about photography. You make me feel alive in every way. Okay, you make me feel alive in every way. Now, the message I'm getting about passionate about photography, it could be also looking at memories, past memories. Okay, my heart skips a beat when I see you. In fact, every time I see you, woof, woo, damn, you are fine. We have outdoor adventurer. Outdoor adventurer. Ooh la la. Hey, I find myself thinking about you when doing everyday tasks. So I feel like that you could be sensing this person, okay? Perhaps you may be even seeing signs and synchronicities because intuitively, whilst they're thinking about you, they are kind of manifesting little trinklets of signs and synchronicities that you may receive, okay? I can't help but feel, here we go with that feel, that deep connection when you are in my presence. So they feel it, and you know, this could be a soulmate, this could be a twin flame, this could be someone that you've had a lot of strong energy with. Artistic and creative, so they could be very artistic, very creative. They could perhaps be very artistic and creative in the way they will seek communication, or if they have like that strong desire to reconcile or make contact with you. Strong and capable hands have come through. Now I believe this came through in pile one. Strong and capable hands. Ooh la la. We have your strength and resilience inspires me to be stronger and invite growth in my life. Now, look at that. We are on pile three. So there's definitely, I feel like this person, they could either be the same age or younger than you or older than you, but they may carry this energy of like there was a lot of immaturities that they had to kind of get over those immaturities because it was holding them back in many ways. You make even the most ordinary and mundane moments feel amazing. Okay? You make the most mundane moments feel amazing. Divine masculine to divine feminine. Look at this. So it's definitely someone coming through who from a recent past, or there's been a separation, or there could be where a separation where there was not a proper closure. Okay, our separation really helped me to see that you deserve so much more. And I feel like the message I'm getting is you deserve so much more, baby. You deserve so much more. I'm sorry, baby. I feel like someone wants to say this to you right now. Or perhaps they called you baby. You know, it's quite a common kind of like term to show a term of endearment to a loved one. Okay, we have muscular build, muscular build. I do wonder. Look, this is coming through in all of the reads. So there's an energy of like this person could have had like look, it's kind of self doubt or sabotaging. Okay, probably listening to those little thoughts of sabotaging kind of behavior that held them back. Your support and encouragement means the world to me. It means the world to me. Nature lover. Now did we have outdoor adventurer? So this person has I feel like this person may have a love for the outside. We outside, baby. I feel like they have a love for the outside. Okay, cooking. So this person may be a foodie. They enjoy trying new foods. It could be something that you've done as like a joint venture together. Okay. And we have here, I wish I could express how much you mean to me. So now we're going to look into the tarot and let them show you what they want to express to you. So for the collective who chose pile 3, okay, reveal their true intentions. Okay, we can see their feelings for you, but reveal their true intentions, how they truly feel, okay, about you and the connection, okay, on their late night thoughts. So who has you on their mind, their feelings for you on their late night thoughts. We're going to channel that energy. Ooh, 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 ooh. Who has you on their mind? I found it. Who has you on their mind on the late night? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, who has you on their mind? Who has you on their mind? We have, okay? We have the devil reverse. I'm getting a message to draw another one. Ooh, okay. But before we draw and have a look, we have the devil reverse. Okay. Now the devil and the devil can represent the energy of the Capricorn energy. So perhaps this person could have some Capricorn energy or Earth energy. Okay. But I feel like it's an energy of reverse, and I feel like this energy is like they have to let go of this. Look what's here, because I did get this message to have to draw, but then I thought let me look first at what's at the front and what's at the back, and we have the Two of Pentacles, and we have the swords here. So this person, and we saw earlier from the Jamaican proverbs, to be analytical, focus, and execute. But we see this energy of the Nine of Swords. The Nine of Swords here. The Nine of Swords can represent anxious energy. And look what's happening here. We have the Two of Pentacles. This person is not knowing what option to take. They could be sitting. That is creating a time wasting energy. And I feel like with the Nine of Cups being here, it's like this person had to learn to be confident in their decision making. And I feel like this is why the devil is here. It's saying this is something they had to release. This is something they had to release because it was holding them back and it was stopping them, from growing. Stopping them from growing. So, let's have a look. Okay. Yes. I feel like with the Three of Pentacles being here, this person knows that it's on the energy of 3. This person knows that they needed to do some deep inner work. Okay, and I feel like it's a deep inner work on helping them to feel confident and secure in themselves because it was holding them back. And I feel like these messages, it's like it's also coming from their younger self and feeling like a kind of like a sense of not worthy, because we saw earlier, I do wonder if I'm good enough for you, and I feel like they've had to teach themselves out of this energy because this is the energy that's been holding them back. They're doubting because look what's there. Look, I can see I can see the Two of Wands and I can see the Ace of Wands. Now this is telling me that if they just change the way they look at things, change their mindset, they will manifest what they truly want and desire. However, because there's this energy of doubting themselves and staying in this energy, it's been holding them back. It's been holding them back and they need to release it. Okay, so we're going to ask this now. Now that this is what we see, okay, with this self-sabotaging energy that has been holding them back, show us their true energy once they release. Once they release, show us their true intention, their true energy once they release this self-sabotaging energy. For the collective who chose power free. Look at this, you see? Look at that. So it did come out of the side. I feel like perhaps this person can still, they could be naturally on the anxious side, or very, very much, because we did have that nanny girl always being analytical. So perhaps this person could be an overthinker, but I feel like this is a message to say they just need to stay in this energy of tapping into their sacral chakra, okay, which is this energy here, okay, located in that lower region, okay, abdomen region, okay, or like the sexual reproduction organs, and it's tap into this energy of creativity, energy. It's also this energy of fertility, believing in themselves, allowing their dreams, allowing things to blossom, to bloom. But they've got to believe in themselves. They've got to trust the process. We'll have a look and see what's significant at the front. Because yes, look at this. Their garden will grow. Their garden will flourish. Okay, this will help them to believe in themselves. Okay, and take some time to maybe even rest, focused. Okay, rest. Even if it might mean that they might need to communicate, or just say, you know, sometimes I do get myself like overthinking to the point that I sabotage. But look, the Wheel of Fortune is here saying that there is a chance if they just have to take the opportunity. They have to take that opportunity, get that courage, so that they can give you this offer. But they've got to stay clear of this energy of getting caught up into, oh, what do I do? Okay, because then that holds them back and it puts them back here. And they're like, oh, why did I do this to myself? Okay. All right. So let's have a look now into some further clues. Okay. So for the collective who chose pile 3, reveal some clues about this person. Thank you. So we can see, look at this. So this person can be in their head a lot, and we've seen it through with the Nine of Swords popping through and the Devil being here. It's like they overthink to the point that it's like there's a saying, like my mother used to say, or she always says, "Oh, you pick till you pick, okay? You pick till you pick rubbish, okay, okay." And it's this idea of like you getting so caught up in overthinking energy. Look at with the Seven of Cups, getting so caught up with this that it's stopping you from being this. Look at this with the King of Swords. You with that logical energy of taking the time to think things out, even communicate that. Okay, we have here this energy. I feel like there's a strong energy of sexual attraction. This person could be very, it's almost like that energy is, there could be some blockages there as well, because it's holding them back from tapping into that creative energy and running with their passions and letting that lead the way. Instead, they're kind of letting the fear lead the way, and that fear is then driving them to go, like they want to go towards you, and then they go, oh no, and turn this way, instead of just trust and just be like, just to be confident in themselves. Now, I feel like this person, we can see as well with the Nine of Pentacles, that they could be very like when it comes to very independent, very much about wanting to build, to grow. And I feel like it's also the strong energy of wanting you to see this. Okay, I feel like again, it's the strong energy of what I can't say in words, I will show in my actions. Walk the walk, I'm not just going to be about talking the talk, okay? So, last but not least, we are going to leave you with some messages in this from these key tags on their feelings for you. Let's just channel that song in again. So, ooh, 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 yeah, who has you on their mind? Who has you on their mind on the late night? Thank you. Okay, thank you. All right, so yep. So we have here your smile lights up my world. Your smile lights up my world. You will always be my baby. Now, Mariah Carey's coming through with that. Okay. And yes, the lyrics, especially the lyrics, you will always be a part of me. Okay. I adore your quirks and your flaws. You make my heart race with excitement. Your laughter is the sweetest melody to my heart. I'm sorry I hurt you. Again, it's energy. I'm sorry I hurt you. I'm sorry I hurt you. I'm grateful for your forgiveness. I'm grateful for your forgiveness. You are my heart's desire. You are my heart's desire. So we're going to leave it here for the collective who chose power free, but take the messages that resonate and leave. You have to say it with power. Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. Okay? But give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, come and join the Love and Light family. Like and subscribe, okay? And take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. It's Jamaican pattern and it simply means this is how it go around here. So be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.